Good morning, y'all. It's another beautiful day here in Washington State. It is about 5:15 a.m. Just got out here to Lake in the Woods. It's been a while since I've been out here, so I figured I'd come and fish it. I'm hoping the bite's gonna be good today. So originally my plan this morning was to go to Mission Lake. But there were some paperwork complications. Around here in Washington State, you've got to have a discovery pass for a lot of things. It's just a flippin' thing you hang in your windshield. It's like $35 a year. Well, mine just expired, and I went to Walmart this morning at the butt crack of dawn to try to get one, and their machine was down. And they're the only place that's open that early, so that kind of screwed me out of a lot of lakes, a lot of good lakes. Hence why I'm here at Lake in the Woods. I'm going to fish here. If the bite's good, I'm going to stay. If it's not, I'm going to head over to Lake X and try to give that a shot. As frustrating as that lake can be for me. What was the point I was getting to? I got to retie. Everything was tied up for bass, actually for an MTB slam. I got this month's box yesterday. And a little sneak peek of what I was gonna throw. I reckon I'll do an unboxing. We'll just leave it at that. Anyways, I'm gonna get retied, get the yak off the roof of the Civic, get out in the lake, try to get on some trout. We're out in the water. I've got a gold spinner tied on and a silver and white. That usually does the job out here, but who knows. Water's nice and warm. So I'll be testing out a new rod today. This guy right here. It's a 7-foot medium Berkeley lightning rod. It was cheap and the action seemed good. I actually caught a smallmouth yesterday. Insert that clip here. How about that, guys? A nice small john, the old Slim Shake. Mr. Red Eye Bass. Let's get you unhooked. Healthy little bronze back. Dang, son. Got some chompers. On this rod, and the feel was amazing. So I am super excited to take it out trout fishing. Let's get to it. The thing I'm noticing about this rod is you just gotta load it up. You just gotta load it up properly. Once you do that, man, you can cast pretty much anything a mile. First fish of the day, how do you like that? Tree pounder. Make a little move out of this cove here. A lot of traffic on this road this morning. I usually don't see anybody, but that is 2 vehicles now. They're brush pickers. Just had a fish jump right in front of me. Guys, I was trolling. Feels like a decent one. God, it took so long to get this first fish hooked up. Three in the boat. God, that's gorgeous. Hey, let's get you unstuck. What a gorgeous fish, guys. What a gorgeous fish. Thanks, bud. There he goes. About time. Got him on this new spinner. Kind of a chrome blue Johnny. And yeah. The rod did good, felt good, good sensitivity. Awesome. Hooked up. This guy feels a lot smaller. And so he is. Thanks, dude. Thanks for playing. Down he goes. They're holding deep. Alright, little mid-morning update. I am on the shore now, just kicking it, stretching my legs, retying, sort of rethinking things. Just put a bottom line out. We'll see if anything bites on that. I figured in the meantime, why not go through that mystery tackle box? Okay, let's take a look inside. Now, to be honest, I already opened a couple of these lures. I had them tied on for this morning, but as I explained, the bass bite kind of got... So, here's what we got. As usual, we got the bait card. Tells us everything that's in the box. We got our Dibbles Digest, tips and tricks, word search, finesse rigs. Oh. And then we got a sticker, which is already on something. Sorry. Okay, first step right here. We got some 4 3/4 inch Biospawn Exo Swims. These are green, pumpkin, and pearl. Really nice color. I've already got one rigged up, as you can see. So these are great to throw any time of the year. I love these things. They're super durable, great action, just a good product. Next up, in a very, very distinct packaging, is the Sakoshi bugs. Been hearing a lot about these. Been seeing these a lot in a lot of YouTube videos. So yeah, these came in the box this month. We got black and blue flake, and you can see I've already got one rigged up on the little mushroom head jigs that came in this in the box as well. So yeah, can't wait to throw these things. Now for hard baits, we have got from Lucky John. It's almost like a little wake bait, 0 to 2 feet. Great hooks, awesome textured, awesome textured paint job. It's a nice little touch, the Lucky John right there for the eye. And the bill is made of this slightly bendable plastic material. I think it's going to deflect great off cover, so makes a good noise too. Awesome. Moving on. From Australia, all the way from Australia, we have got from Chase Baits the Big Wiggle Bomb. This thing looks at first glance like almost like a topwater frog, and I'm sure you could work it as such. Get that. But it also says you can work it as a wake bait. You can work it on the bottom. So I am real interested to throw this, see what this thing's all about. And lastly, I know you recognize this, the Hula Popper 2.0. Better hooks, and it's got a feathered treble on the back, and this textured, again, paint pattern. Really, really cool. Big old cut mouth right there. Can't wait to throw this thing either. Man, I wish I would have been able to throw it this morning, but yeah, we'll have to save the slam for another day, guys. What are you gonna do? All right, well that does it for July's edition of the Mystery Tackle Box, at least mine. Great box, great baits for this time of year. Can't wait to try them out. Hopefully the next video you see is me doing a slam with these bad boys. All right, let's get back to fishing. Fish on, guys. Holy shit, he's coming up. That was weird. I don't usually do that. Woo, woo, easy, easy. All right, guys, nice healthy rainbow. There he goes, under the boat. We have switched spots again. This time we are at some beaver ponds, the beaver ponds. I got a couple light spinners tied on. I'm already seeing some surface activity all over the place. So I'm gonna get in it, get on it, get to it. This is gonna be interesting. There's one. How about that? Little large Marge. Hey, easy, brother. Yeah. They don't get big in here, but there's usually quite a bit of them. I had a feeling it'd be a bass that would bite this one. First trout. Cutthroat. Yeah. There we go. Really, really pretty cutthroat. Easy, sir. Look at that thing. Wow. Down he goes. This water's still really, really cold. And it's because it's fed by a creek. Well, it's just a creek impoundment, really. Oh, you swear word. There's one. Wow. Look at the colors on that. That's why they call them a cutthroat. Got ourselves another cut. Love them colors. Oh, the waters. Not even hooked that bad. Immediately. Oh, whoa. Come here. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. You are extra slippery. Done deal. Oh, it's so sick. I watched him come up and eat it. Oh, that was sick. I'm trying to help you out. Look at the belly on this fish. Hooked up. Another little cutthroat. I know, I'm trying to get untangled.